I'm Bardowski, founder at Million Dollar Party Girl, and welcome to episode 58 of Social Girl Live. I'm going to show you what these skewers have to do with making your parties more fun and more social share worthy. And by that, I mean actually having your customers post about your party on Facebook and tell all their friends about how much fun they're having. Who wants that to happen? Raise your hand. I'm so excited, I have to tell you. So these skewers I found at the supermarket. Super duper duper cheap. Look at them. Has anyone ever used these for a craft project? Now, I am the most non-crafty girl that I know. If I can do this, anybody can do this. But it's one of those things where I'm walking by them and I'm like, oh, I can use those for my Facebook Live show. So look what I did. And so, part of the new way to connect with our customers and get them excited, right? Whether it's about a home party or an online party, we want to put the party in the party, right? The demonstration's out, right? We know that. But people really will come and bring friends when something is social share worthy. And by social share worthy, I mean that the experience is so fun, they want to take a picture of it, put it on Facebook and Instagram, and tell all their friends how awesome it was. Imagine if this came in your starter kit, right? Would you not be booking parties? This is silly, right? But you would be posting on Facebook and you would be like, the funnest party in town is coming to your house. Look what I just got, Emoji Bask. Imagine handing these out to your guests at your party. Oh my gosh, they would be taking pictures like crazy and posting on Facebook, right? And this is what I'm talking about. So I got these from Oriental Trading. Now these came with their own little sticks, but I'm going to show you how to make your own. Okay, I made some of my own too with my skewers. So for any of my Pamper Chef and Tupperware friends and Tastefully Simple, you might be able to tell me what to do with these skewers when I'm not using them for live streaming signs. Honestly, think about how much fun this will be for your parties and your team training. If you are doing live team training, and when I say live, I mean in person, imagine having these. Now, this is the one that I would not include. Do not include this sign. Well, actually, it might be funny. But imagine having all of these fun emoji signs on the tables at a team training or a kickoff, right? It would be hysterical. People would be taking pictures and selfies and posting them on Facebook. Seriously, it would be so much fun. People would come just for that. This is how you get people off the couch and out the door and wanting to come because you've got the best party in town and all the fun is happening with you. And it's relevant, it's current, it's on trend. But you can also use it for your online parties, right? Yeah, because there you are. And you'll be like, oh my God, this is so hysterical. Let me tell you the story. You could do your whole party with these emoji signs. People would click on it to get the sound, just to tune in to see what the heck is so funny that you're talking about, right? I love them. I'm addicted to them. So these I got at Oriental Trading. Do you guys know about Oriental Trading? There's over 10 of them. Is this thumbs up or thumbs down? I think there's two of these. Look, don't give them the thumbs down, right? I mean, if you're at an in-person party, you could have them use these to rate the products, see what they're most excited about, talk about an interactive experience. If you love it, tell me. And they'll be like, picture. And so there's a heart, there's eyeballs. I see you. I see you over there. All right, I cracked myself up. It's so true. We have a smart person. So this would be fun for team training, like if you have a really smart idea. Just silliness. Of course, our little happy face. And who doesn't love this emoji, right? This is like on my top emojis that I use all the time. So $6.99 on orientaltrading.com. And you get a ton of them. Like, look. I just opened the box today because I was on vacation when they came. I was like, oh, my emoji signs are here. My husband's like, what are you talking about? I think, look how many. Like a picture going to your conference and your team all has these, right? You were the team that has the emoji signs. Everybody's going to be like, they are the most fun team ever. We need to find out what they're doing. We won't tell anybody else, just you guys watching tonight, okay? So I got all of these $6.99. I'm sure there's a coupon code somewhere. You can probably get free shipping too. We know we love our emojis. Can't have enough of them. All right, so what did I do? So I got my skewers. And you guys know I love Canva, right? I'm like in Canva. I am probably like their top 10 user on Canva because I use it every single day. So you can make, so I've been making these speech bubble signs and I've been holding them up during my live broadcast. And I'm like, why can't I put them on a skewer? So I did. And I just taped them with some packing tape. So look, now I have fun speech bubble signs to talk about my social share-worthy tips. And again, so much fun for your Facebook parties, right? Social share-worthy, but you could even make a sign for your home parties, right? We're really melding the offline with the online by creating those fun, interactive experience that people then want to share on social media and tell their friends. And that's how you expand your reach. Use that attraction marketing, right? That's what we're talking about. So these are my social share-worthy ideas. So I made a cute little speech bubble sign. See my little idea? And I just made that on Canva, printed it out, stuck it on a skewer. Now I have a sign for my Social Girl Live show, right? And so easy to do. And if you guys have my Facebook Party Pro course, I made a speech bubble booklet. I'm getting stuck on I've got one more sign for you. That is all the speech bubble signs for your Facebook parties. There's like 10 of them. And it's in the printables in the bonus section of my Facebook Party Pro course for those of you that have it. So I just, again, so this size, by the way, that I used is a 16:9 ratio. It's the size of a PowerPoint slide. That's the size. And then I just saved it as a PDF document. And printed it and cut it. So this was like a regular piece of paper. Cut it out, stuck it on a skewer. So hashtags, again, amplify your message, help you increase your reach. You can use hashtags when you're live. You know, if you're having fun with it, your customer is going to have fun with it, right? That's what it's all about. So look, hashtag $1 million party girl. So I've actually never used this hashtag. I usually spell out the word dollar. That's something you can do for your business. Make a hashtag sign, encourage your customers to post a picture with themselves and your product, search the hashtag, and then do a fun prize drawing. And that's how you get it done. Okay. All right. So we got emoji signs, we have speech bubble signs, and we have hashtag signs. All very duplicatable for your team, handmade or purchased on orientaltrading.com. There is a hope for people that don't know what to do with a skewer. There you go. All right. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Again, make sure you keep your teams in the know. And, of course, you stay in the know. All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a really great week. I will see you next week.